Hello everyone, greetings of the day. Today we will learn how to make a simple programmable robotic arm. So let us begin. For this, we need these much of components. First is this Arduino Uno. These are the micoServo. These are the potentiometer. This is the breadboard, and these are the connecting wires. So now let us see how this circuit is made. So first of all, in this micoServo, there are total 3 terminals. So first of all, this signal terminal will be connected to these pins of this Arduino Uno respectively. This is the power terminal that we will be connecting to this 5-volt power supply of the Arduino Uno, and this is the grounding terminal of this micoServo that we will be connecting to this G and D pin of the Arduino Uno. Now let us move to this potentiometer. In this potentiometer as well, there are total 3 terminals. This is the terminal 2 that will be connecting to this 5-volt power supply of the Arduino Uno. This one is the terminal 1 that will be connecting to the grounding pin, that is the G and D pin of the Arduino Uno. And this is the wiper pin of this potentiometer that we will be connecting to this input A0, A1, A2 and A3 pins of the Arduino Uno respectively. And this way our circuit is ready. Now let us move to the code part. So this is our code for this. At first we have included one header file, that is servo.h. Now we have declared 4 variables, namely s1, s2, s3 and s4, which will help us for servo movement and exit. After that we have initialized 4 variables p1, p2, p3 and p4 to 0, 1, 2, 3 respectively, which denotes the pin number to which this potentiometer is connected in the analog side of this Arduino. After this we have declared 4 variables, namely value 1, 2, 3 and 4 of integer variable type to store the value of this potentiometer in. After this we have used 2 functions. First is the void setup function and the second one is the void loop function. In void setup function, what we are doing is, this is the S1, that is the servo variable, and we are attaching it to the 4 number pin of this Arduino Uno. Over here you can see this is the 4 number pin of this Arduino Uno, and this is the first servo variable S1. Similarly for the rest of the servo. Now in this void loop function, what we are doing is, we are reading the analog value. This is the potential 1 meter, that we have represented using the 1 variable, and we are storing it in the value 1 variable. After this we are mapping it. How we are mapping it is, this potentiometer will have values from 0 to 1023, and the servo will have value from 0 to 180. So in this way we are mapping it and writing it in this servo variable so that the servo can move accordingly. In the same way we are doing for the rest as well. And at last we are using a delay of 20 milliseconds so that servo can move accordingly and set its position according to this potentiometer. So now let us see how actually it will work. So for this I am clicking in the start simulation. As you can see, this is the potentiometer. I'm changing its direction, and this servo has also changed its position. In the same way, second one, third one and fourth one. All of these are able to change its direction as I can manipulate them using this potentiometer, right? So in this way our robotic arm will work. Hope you like it. Thank you.